This wasn't supposed to happen. I didn't expect that to happen. Spotted, ringed him. Target spotted, ring him to Eggman. Get over here. I'm gonna get this target, and I will not lose him. Where is this guy at? Where is he at? Where did he go? Overheat. Wait, I see him. Got you. Dude, why does this keep happening? No. Die. Ugh. You're coming with me. Target spotted. Take out targeter. Good, Furnish. Good. Now take out him forever to where he will never exist. Yes. Die. Where is he at? Wait, what? How is he still alive? No, he will not leave. How is it so hard to catch a guy like this? I'm gonna get him. Get over here. Crap, I'm lagging. Is this really that hard? I'm not gonna be able to have enough speed. No. Target will not leave. Target will be eaten by starved Eggman. Die! Ow. Wait, what the heck? How is he not even burning? Where's he at? No! You're not leaving! Why he just fell off? I guess I win. Ah ha ha.